Welcome back to Coins from the Crypt. Bitcoin's finally breaking below that 0.5 that we had outlined around the 36.7 level. We actually came back up and started to touch it as resistance, which is not a good sign. If we come back down and break below this wick here, the target becomes the 0.618. Let me go back on the daily here to make that a little bit easier to see. So yeah, if we do break below that prior wick, I'm going to be looking at this 0.618 around this region here as the target. That comes in between 29, 30K. I would expect to see a bigger response here than we have seen here. Something could change and the bulls just might step in tomorrow and take this thing up, but we're not seeing that happen right now. And I do feel like if we did, I don't know if it would get past this resistance. Anyway, I think it might just be a failed move to come back down. I do believe we will come back to this 0.618. And that's where I think we will see a meaningful reversal. Whether it creates a new higher high or not, that'll remain to be seen. But I do think once we do hit this 0.618, we will at least see, let's see, a bounce. Yeah, so if we did bounce off that 0.618, I would expect us to come back up and touch this 49K region, between 49K and 55K. I would expect the price to bounce back to. That's if we do go down to the 0.618 and see a big bounce. But again, that's getting far into the future. Right now, the immediate targets would be looking on the hourly. The bulls would hope to see enough momentum to get above this 0.5 here, start closing candle bodies, using it as support, and then swing up. But if we break down below this wick here, the probability is much, much higher that we do visit this 0.618 sooner than later, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, because if we do come down and capitulate now, we can start the trend up sooner rather than just having this slow bleed over time. So we'll take a look at this tomorrow. Again, I just want to give a quick update now that we're coming down below this 0.5. Yeah, we can see the bulls starting to step up now, so hopefully we see them break up above this line, maintain support, but if not, if we do get rejected again and come down and break this wick here, the 0.618 is where I'm looking next, the 29 and 30K region. So until tomorrow, folks, good luck.